drowning in SEO data and struggling to make sense of it all? I'm going to show you how to transform the chaos into a beautiful, insightful SEO report using Looker Studio in just a few easy steps. First, head over to Looker Studio and create a new report by clicking the blank report option. Next, connect your data sources, click on Add Data and select the platforms you want to pull information from, like Google Search Console, Google Analytics, or even a Google Sheet containing your keyword rankings. Authenticate each data source to grant Looker Studio access. Now, let's build some visualizations. Click at a chart and choose the chart type that best represents your data. For example, a time series chart is great for tracking organic traffic trends, while a table can display your keyword rankings. Drag and drop the relevant dimensions and metrics onto the chart. For organic traffic, you'll typically use date as the dimension and sessions as the metric, filtering for organic traffic only within the chart's properties. For keyword rankings, use a table and include dimensions like query and metrics like average position. Add a filter to only show keywords you are actively tracking. Customize your charts to make them visually appealing and easy to understand. Change the colors, fonts, and labels to match your brand. You can also add scorecards to highlight key metrics like total organic sessions or average keyword ranking. Finally, add your company logo and a title to brand your report. Share it with your team or clients by clicking the Share button and granting appropriate permissions. Now you have a dynamic SEO report that automatically updates with your latest data.